Today's topic is how to add an EZCorporate ERP, a cash payment voucher. You have to go to the Accounts menu first. To go to Cash Payment Voucher, you have to go to Add New CPV, select the voucher date, voucher type, cash code, and if you want to enter the foreign currency conversion rate, you can add it also here and then add payment to it. Select the payment head, employee, vendor, customer, and expense heads in the chart of accounts or any of the against purchase invoice bill and also against sale return. After selecting the payment head, add the amount. If you have no posting rights, then save it and post from the CPV dashboard. If in any case you want to change the amount or payment head, then come to Edit CPV, enter the CPV number, and edit the voucher. I hope you understand well. Kindly like our channel and subscribe. Thank you.